In this particular problem, we are given the linear equation 1/2 x plus 2y equals 6, and we're asked to find the intercepts and graph the line. Okay, so an intercept, again, an x-intercept is a point where the line we are going to draw is going to cross the x-axis. And the coordinates of such a point would have the y-coordinate, or y part of that coordinate would be 0. So when we're looking for the x-intercept, we say let y equal 0. Likewise, if we're looking for a point along the y-axis, any point that I pick along here, the x part of that coordinate will be 0. So when I'm looking for the y-intercept, I let x equal 0. Okay? So keeping those things in mind, let's go ahead and take the equation 1/2 x plus 2y equals 6, and we'll substitute 0 in for y in the equation. So I have 1/2 x plus 2 times 0 equals 6. Well, 0 times 2 goes to 0, so we are left with 1/2, oops, sorry, let's try that again. So we're left with 1/2 x equals 6, and if I multiply both sides of the equation by 2, 2 times 1/2 is 1, and 1 times x is simply x. 2 times 6 is 12. So in this particular problem, if I let y be 0, x will be 12. I can see this is going to be a small issue because 10, there's 11, there's 12. So that would actually be my point where the line that I'm going to draw would cross the x-axis. We'll extend the x-axis out a little bit. So doing the same thing now for the y-intercept, again I write the equation 1/2 x plus 2y equals 6. This time I will replace x with 0, so I have 1/2 times 0 plus 2y equals 6. This term drops out. 0 times 1/2 is 0, so I'm left with 2y equals 6. And dividing both sides of the equation by 2, then I have y equals to 3. So my y part of the coordinate would be 3, my x is 0. So I locate that on the y-axis, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I would simply draw my line. Whoops, hopefully a straighter line. There we go. And that's the solution.